Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make simply wavy text in Premiere Pro. It is primarily used for gaming highlights, videos, vlogs, water footage and cinematic horror title. Let's get started. I will create text here and writing wiggle. Now adjust the scale of the text. Once the font and alignment are adjusted, now go to Effects, Video Effect, Distort and you will get turbulent display. Select the effect and drag it to the text layer. The text already waves, but it doesn't animate. Don't worry, we will fix it. Go to FS Control, click stopwatch on offset, change the offset value. It's depending on how wave you need it. As this was slowly waving, the distance was too fast, so I clicked the key and dragged it back, and now it looked nice. The displacement option allows to change the wave animation as well the pinging option, which helps choose which side you want to wave. It's easy to use second method of wavy text. Just type any text after the alignment. Go to Effect, Video Effect, Distort, and you will find the wave bar. Drag and drop the effect on the text layer. It's already animating. We just need to adjust the width and height. Wave or Perfect give you the option to choose the direction of the wave. It will be easy to control the wave direction. We can also change the wave animation effect. And then I just style the effect by changing the color and stroke of the text. These two methods are easy to use your video and they look great.
If this video is helpful, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.